Autopilot consists of features that make your car safer and more convenient to drive. We're excited about the future, but today, you must be fully attentive and have your hands on the wheel at all times while driving, regardless of what features are active. Safety is our #1 priority. Not only is your Tesla remarkably effective at keeping you and your passengers safe in the event of a collision, it also has active safety features that help you avoid collisions altogether. Review and toggle these features from the Autopilot menu. Driver assistance features make your driving easier and more relaxing. Think of these like advanced versions of cruise control. As with traditional cruise control, you are always in charge of what your car is doing, and you need to be ready to act at any moment. Driver assistance features vary depending on your Tesla's configuration. Look for them on the Autopilot menu so you know how your Tesla is equipped, and so you can enable the features you'd like to use. If you learn about a feature from these videos that isn't on your Tesla, we might be able to add it via an over-the-air software update. Explore upgrades in the Tesla app. Traffic-aware cruise control, or TAC for short, adjusts speed based upon the vehicle ahead of you. When TAC is available, a gray number appears near your speedometer. This number is your set speed, the fastest your Tesla will travel when TAC is engaged. Adjust set speed preferences and other settings from the Autopilot menu. When TAC shows as available, activate it by pressing the drive stalk firmly down once, like you're shifting to drive again. The icon turns blue, and you can release the pedals. Your Tesla will travel at the set speed when the road is open and will slow down as necessary for curves and traffic in your lane ahead. TAC responds to most objects, but can't recognize everything, so be ready to take over as needed. TAC does not attempt to slow for traffic lights, stop signs, or other traffic controls unless your car is equipped with traffic light and stop sign control and has this feature enabled. To change your set speed while driving, simply spin the right scroll wheel up or down. Push the scroll wheel right or left to adjust your following distance. To deactivate TAC, push the drive stalk up or gently press the brake pedal. Auto steer builds upon traffic-aware cruise control, or TAC, by adding steering assistance. A gray steering wheel icon appears here when auto steer is available. Firmly double press down on the drive stalk to activate auto steer. The auto steer icon and the lane lines in your driving visualization turn blue. If TAC isn't already active, it will be engaged as well. TAC is always on when auto steer is on. As its name suggests, auto steer automatically moves the steering wheel to keep you centered in your lane. Rather than providing constant steering inputs, you can just lightly hold the wheel and scan your surroundings so you're ready in case you need to take over. If your Tesla doesn't detect your hands on the wheel while using auto steer, it will prompt you to apply more force. It's measuring a small amount of resistance from your hands, so light turning force will clear this prompt. If you repeatedly ignore these warnings, you will be locked out from using auto steer for the rest of your trip. A larger amount of turning force will deactivate auto steer while leaving traffic-aware cruise control on. To deactivate both auto steer and TAC, push the drive stalk up or gently press the brake pedal. Auto steer must be enabled from the Autopilot menu before it can be used. This setting is saved to your driver profile. If your Tesla is equipped with auto lane change, a press of the turn signal while auto steer is on initiates an automatic lane change. Check your mirrors and blind spot as you would normally. Press the turn signal when there's space, and, with your supervision, your Tesla will automatically move one lane over and continue to steer in the new lane. The Autopilot hardware on new cars needs to calibrate before features like traffic-aware cruise control and auto steer are available. This one-time self-calibration completes within an hour of driving on well-marked roads. The features won't show as available until the required calibration is complete.